Good evening, I'm Officer Flink, Palm Beach Gardens. The reason I pulled you over is you're going 71 miles an hour.
Oh.
Do you have your license, registration, insurance?
I'm so sorry, sir. Oh.
Where you ladies come from tonight?
I gotta go to the bathroom so bad it hurt. Oh my God, it hurt so bad. Oops, wrong thing. I'm sorry.
All right, give me 1 second. Listen,
Yes, sir.
if you would go and step out of me real quick, I want to make sure you're all set to drive. We'll have you on your way home, okay?
What do you mean set to drive, sir?
Make sure you're not under the influence, okay?
Oh, I'm not under the influence, but I'm scared right now. So why would you think I'm under the influence, sir? Hi.
Hey. Make sure you're not under the influence, okay?
Oh, I'm not under the influence, but I'm scared. He's looking in my purse.
No, I'm not. Because I can smell it, I can see it,
You
and...
see it? And smell what?
Well, your speech is slurred, your eyes are watery, I can smell it coming out of the car. So if you would go and step out, we'll make sure you're all set and we'll have you on your way home, okay?
Literally, right up there. Calm down. We're going to record it. You say...
We're recording it too. We got 2 cameras and the one on the car.
You can see and smell alcohol on me.
I already told you that. Come on out, man. If you're all right to drive, you'll be on your way home and there'll be no problem.
Exactly, but what are you trying to do to me right now?
I'm trying to make sure you're all set to drive, that you're not driving under the influence, just like I told you before.
Okay, could you call Jimmy or somebody to come here? I'm scared
don't call anybody to come here right now.
No, I'm calling my little brother, and I have the right to do that.
Tell them to keep their distance.
All right, I'm scared too that you're not getting out of the car, so go ahead and step out, please, okay?
I'm car, so I'm turning on the light. My hands are up. I know I'm black. My hands are up. I'm a woman. I'm not a threat.
I know I'm a police officer, and I don't know why you're acting like that.
Hold on.
Nobody's hands are on their guns, so please go ahead and step out.
My hands are on the wheel. I don't have
Yeah, we can see that. Our hands are up too. Let's go. Please step out, man.
Wait.
Please come on out.
I'll come out.
You're not doing it, though.
Please don't touch
You're not
me.
doing it.
I'm just afraid. I'm just
Let's
trying to
go.
turn it
Come on
around.
out.
Put this on me.
You've already got 2 cameras on you. Go ahead and step out. Let's go.
Oh my God.
Come on back over here.
Where do you want me to
Where
go?
my finger's pointing. Do you see my
Okay.
finger? Do you see where it's pointing?
Oh my God.
Please
This
go
is
ahead and
not
stand over
happening.
there.
Oh
Let's go,
my
right
God.
over here.
Please don't say this is happening.
Okay, do you have any medical condition with your eyes not corrected by
I do not have
glasses?
any medical condition at all. Oh my God.
Okay, are you able to walk a straight line?
I can walk
Why are you
whatever
acting
you
like
want.
this?
I'm because you white, I'm black. I don't want to
So
get
you're
killed.
racist. So why are you being racist? Why are you being racist?
My husband
Where are you
is
going?
white. My husband is
Stop.
white.
Stop now.
Come on over here. Stop doing that.
Okay,
Stop acting like
I
this.
did.
You're acting
I'm
like a
afraid.
child.
I'm afraid. I don't know what to do.
Stop going over here.
I just walked
You
the
need to
line.
listen.
My hands are
No.
up. I have
Did
no
I tell you to
weapons.
walk?
I promise you, I don't have anything,
What
sir.
is your name?
Oh my God.
What's your name?
You got my license,
This
sir.
is really
You got
easy.
my license.
All you have to do is...
Oh my God.
Why
I
are you
walked
not
the straight
listening?
line.
Why are you not
I
listening?
walked the
Why are you
straight
not listening?
line. I walked the straight line.
Why are you
Oh
not
my God.
listening?
Stand. All you have to do is stand.
My hands are up. I don't have no weapons.
What's your
Please
name?
don't choke me or hurt me,
What's
please.
your name?
Go ahead and stand right here for me. Bring your feet
Oh
together,
my
hands at
God.
your sides.
Oh my God, I have no weapons, please. I haven't done anything. I had to go to
You're
the
not
potty
listening
really
either.
bad. I had
You're
to
not
go to the
listening.
potty
Are you
really,
listening?
really bad.
Are you listening
I had
right
to go
now?
to the potty really
Are
bad.
you listening?
You told
Stand
me to
right
stay
here.
right here.
No, I told
oh
you to
my
stand
God,
right
you said,
here.
Well, I gotta come so close to you. I'm afraid to come close to you. I don't wanna
Okay,
come
listen,
close
I'm going to
you.
advise you and call your Taylor warnings, okay?
Oh my God.
I suspect that you're
God,
driving under...
something's gonna happen.
Stop talking!
Oh my God.
Stop talking!
I don't want to die.
You're not listening.
I don't want to die.
You get back in the car.
You're
not listening.
You get back in the car. Get back in the car.
That's my twin sister.
Get back in the car. We're trying to deal with it.
That's my
Listen.
twin. Don't tell me to get back in the car.
I
That's
will
my
tell you to
twin
get back in the
sister.
car because you're interfering with our investigation.
You're not
Get in the car.
and talk to me.
I don't want to die.
Why are you acting like a child? Why are you acting like a
I don't
child?
want to die.
Stop acting like a child.
You get out of the car again, you're going to jail for resisting obstruction.
I'm
You
not
understand?
resisting.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Well, first
What do
of all, you
want
were
me to
speeding, and
do?
I want you to stop
I gotta
talking.
go to the potty so bad. Please, my
Ma'am,
hands
I want
are
you to
up.
stop talking.
My hands are up. What do you want me to do?
To stop
What
talking.
do you want me to
Stop
do?
talking.
Oh my God.
Stop talking. Lower your hands.
Put your hands down. Follow instructions.
Lower your
I'm
hands.
scared.
It's
I don't
really
have
easy.
no weapons.
It's really
I'm
Okay.
defensive.
Time out. You need to listen right now,
Oh my
okay?
God.
You're
I
being
don't wanna
advised
die
of your
today.
Taylor warnings. If you do
I
not
don't wanna die
cooperate and
today.
participate
Oh my
in these
God.
exercises, you are not going to dispel my concern that you're driving under the influence of alcohol, chemical, or controlled substance.
Taylor warnings are specific to Florida case law and help build a case if a suspect is not cooperating with a drunk driving investigation.
I did not tell you to walk a straight line.
You told me to walk a straight
No,
line.
I asked you if you could walk a straight
I
line.
could.
Next, Your inaction to participate in these exercises will force me to make an arrest based on the totality of the circumstances as I know them to this point, and it will be used against you in court. Are you willing to do these exercises?
I don't know
yes
what
or
you
no?
said. I'm so afraid right now.
Okay, so I'm going to tell you one more time. Not doing these exercises is going to force me to make an arrest based on the totality of the circumstances, and it will be used against you in a court of law. Are you willing to do these exercises?
Whatever exercises, sir. Just don't kill me,
So
please.
place your hands down at your sides.
I'm scared.
Place your hands down at your sides.
Why? I want to let
Maybe
you
she
know I
doesn't
have no
understand
weapons.
because she is under the influence. Because
I
you
am
told her
not
a few
under
times.
the influence,
Then put your
ma'am.
hands down at your side.
Why do I have to? I'm afraid. I don't want them to think I got weapons.
There's
I don't
three
have
of us
no
here.
weapons,
Did
sir.
anybody say you had a weapon?
Oh my God, I'm afraid.
Okay.
My
Ma'am.
hands are up. I have
Ma'am.
nothing.
Ma'am, listen to me. Listen to me.
Ma'am, you
Right
accuse
now-
me of drinking. I know.
She didn't accuse you of anything.
I'm
She
just trying
said
to
she
speak
must
to
be
you.
under influence.
'Cause you're
Exercise you
not
want me to
listening.
do? What exercise you want
Then
me to
just
do?
listen to
I
what
want you to
What
stand
exercise?
right here.
I'm afraid to come
I
close
want
to
you
you.
to stand
I don't
right. Well,
want
if you don't come close to
tonight.
me, I'm going to come close to you.
Okay, what do you
so bring
want
your
me to
feet
do?
together,
What do you
hands
want-
at your
my
sides.
free-
Hands at your sides.
Oh my God.
Hands at your sides.
I don't have any
hands
weapons,
at your
sir.
sides.
I don't
Nobody
have
said
any
you have a
weapons.
weapon.
I have nothing. Nothing.
You see the top of this pen?
Oh my God.
You're not listening.
Of course I see the top
Okay,
of the pen,
lower your
sir.
hands to your sides.
Morel, did you call for help?
Lower your help is here.
I hope. No, you're not my
You
help.
see the top of this pen?
Oh my God. You
Maybe
got
if
the
you
light in
stop
my
being
fire.
racist for a second and
I'm
listen.
not being racist. I'm afraid for my life, dude.
Why? Because you're being racist. Because you are being
Why are
racist.
you behind me, sir? You ready to take me down?
You're
Are you
making
gonna
this
follow
more.
this?
Come
I don't
on.
want to die. I didn't do nothing. I don't want to get hurt.
see the
I
top
don't
of
want
this
to
pen?
die tonight.
You're going to follow this
I
with
just
your...
don't want to die tonight. Please don't
You
kill
see
me.
the top of this pen? You're going to
Please
follow
don't
this?
kill
Stop
me.
talking.
I don't want to die. I promise you I didn't do
10:15.
nothing.
10:15.
Oh
You're
my
under
God.
arrest for driving under the influence of
Oh,
alcohol,
I'm
chemical, or
not.
controlled substance.
I'm under arrest for what?
Because you failed. He told you a couple times.
No, I'm so
You failed.
afraid.
Well, you shouldn't have been.
Failed to
There's no
listen.
need.
Oh
Everybody
my
has.
God. Real, I
You
got
don't even
my
have
one-
tears, ma'am. You don't
Nope.
even have tears.
It's all
You
an
just
act.
kept saying
She's being
that.
racist out here.
Morel, can I ask for the supervisor? Can I have the supervisor?
Sure, you
I
sure
need a
can.
supervisor.
I will call the
I need a
supervisor for you.
supervisor.
Draft 13 may have a supervisor. Individual is not happy with my police service.
Will still
Morel,
be
come get my
placed-
drink.
No.
Oh, she threw my stuff on the
Stay
ground.
right
She
there.
threw my stuff on the ground.
Yes, I put
Taking
it on
it
the
off
ground.
gently.
What
There's
is
no
going
need to yell
on?
like that.
I'm
Please
so
don't.
afraid.
What did my sister
watch.
do? What did
One
my
bracelet.
sister do?
I want to be safe.
You're the safest person in the city. You have police officers with you.
No, sir. No, it's too much going on. I don't feel safe.
Ain't nothing going on.
OMG. What are you doing?
Is this connected?
My God,
Stop.
are you
Is it
taking
sewn
my
in?
wig off? It
Is
is.
sewn in? Then
It
you'll
is.
take it off at the county.
I'm being arrested.
You are being arrested because you didn't participate in the exercise.
Sir, I walked a straight line.
I didn't tell you to walk the
I
straight
walked
line.
a straight line.
I didn't tell you to.
OMG. I got to pee so bad.
I wonder why you got to pee so bad.
I was drinking a lot of water. I had sparkling water.
Okay, then you should have done the exercises. You would
Oh
have had no
my
problem.
God. I'm sewed in,
I
sweetie.
need to check to make sure you don't have any. I feel metal, ma'am. So I have to make sure you don't hurt my officers.
I'm in cuffs. How am I hurt an officer?
I don't
I'm in
know.
cuffs, ma'am.
I need to also
I
make sure
cannot
it's not
hurt
a
somebody. I don't want to get hurt. I am pissed.
How can you do all that and not have tears? That's what's interesting to me.
I
It's interesting
do.
that you're trying to cry without tears.
I'm so scared. I just don't want to get hurt, dude.
You acted like a child the whole time. That's why you're
How?
under arrest.
A child I don't want to get hurt. Morel, look in my wallet. I have my attorney in the wallet. Please call my attorney right now.
Well, we're not going to talk to him.
No.
No, stay in the
Morel,
car.
just call the attorney, please. Please don't break that, ma'am.
I didn't. I've been taking very much care of your
Thank
Thank
items.
you.
respectful.
Morel, please call my attorney right
Here, I
now.
got that back.
Morel?
My sister do.
Right now she's under arrest for suspicion of DUI.
Why?
I just want to confirm you just took a necklace.
That's my twin sister.
Okay.
She didn't
Okay. And here's a bracelet.
She didn't do anything.
Okay. Well, all she had to
We
do.
were just going home.
Ma'am, can I speak? I'm talking to you calmly and respectfully. Okay.
I'm a 45-year-old woman. I'm not an idiot. And I'm an educated woman. So don't talk to me like I'm an idiot.
I'm a 40-year-old man, and I'm talking to you with the same respect that I get from you.
So
Okay.
please don't talk to me like
Age
I'm
has-
dumb.
I'm not.
Because I'm a very, very smart
Right, I'm
woman.
trying to explain to you the process on what's happening.
Sergeant Leffler, for transparency purposes, this discussion is going to occur on body-worn camera, sir.
Okay.
I pulled this vehicle over because I observed it traveling 71 miles an hour in the outside through lane. Vehicle slow rolled to a stop right here. Upon contact, I made contact with that woman in the driver's seat, Miss, identified by Florida driver's license photo. Upon contact, I noticed that she had glossy eyes, slurred speech. I detected the odor of an unknown alcoholic beverage coming off of her breath. Gathered her information, went back, conducted my records check, waited for 94 to arrive so I could resume my investigation. Asked her to exit the vehicle. She starts pulling out the phone. She gave me a little bit more of a hard time going back and forth with me about getting out of the vehicle. Finally, she exited the vehicle on her own accord. I tried to ask her if she had any medical conditions which would affect any of the exercises performed. She started yelling, walking with her hands up, saying that she was scared. I asked if she could walk a straight line. She proceeded to start walking down the white fog line without being told to do so. I then got her to about where she's standing with Officer Rigney over there. She stood like this with her hands up. I kept telling her, please lower your hands. She kept saying she doesn't have a weapon. At no point was a weapon drawn on her. At no point was my hand on my gun. At no point was she accused of having a firearm or any kind of weapon that would harm us. She kept saying she was scared. I attempted at least 2 times to advise her of her Taylor warnings, to which she kept yelling and talking over me. Then she said she was willing to do whatever that we needed to do, but kept her arms in the air and would not approach me because the HGN has to be conducted within 12 to 18 inches away from the person. I held the stimulus device in front of her face. She would not look at it, would not participate. She was instantly placed under arrest, and you can hear her over there still hollering. She requested for a supervisor.
Okay.
That's where we're at.
So you're making an arrest based on your observations and her refusals to...
Yes, sir. She did not dispel my concern that she was driving under the influence, and I tried to explain that to her. However, she kept talking over me.
Why my sister being
I'm trying to explain that to you, but you keep
she's
cutting me
like
off.
less than 5 minutes away.
It doesn't matter how far. We've arrested people in their driveway before.
What did she do wrong?
Well, she was speeding, and we believe she may be under the influence. I'm going to be honest with you. An attorney's not going to be able to do anything at this point. All right? What's going to happen is she's going to be transported to the Palm Beach County Jail, where she'll be released after 8 hours from right now. Okay? All she had to do, and if she wasn't intoxicated or impaired,
Well, how do you know she was intoxicated? Because of something you believe? That's a belief. That's not true.
it's because of whatever Officer Flink saw. He's the DUI officer. He's the one that pulled you guys over.
Hi, I'm Sergeant Leffler.
Supervisor.
What can I do for you?
Sir, he pulled me over. He accused me of being intoxicated, and he can smell alcohol or whatever. I had to go to the bathroom really bad, and I was speeding. I never denied that because I was trying to go to the ladies' room, okay? But when he pulled me up, he accused me. As soon as he accused me, it made me defensive, and I was afraid. And I said, sir, I got my hands up. I'm touching the wheel. I'm not doing anything. He said, come out and walk a straight line. I walked this straight line with no problems. Then he said, okay, I need you to do additional things. And then he said, no, you're not complying. I'm going to arrest you. For what? I don't know. I've never been in trouble. You check my thing. I don't want to die tonight. That's all I told him. I got out. I walked this straight line. Now I'm in handcuffs.
All right, well, there's a series of tasks that he has to ask you to perform.
I don't mind. I had my hands up because I was afraid to let him know I have no weapons or anything.
One of the major things of those tasks is listening to instructions. Is one of the major points of it.
I'm trying to understand why I'm being detained.
Well, you're under arrest now.
Under arrest for what, sir?
Suspicion of DUI.
Suspicion of DUI? I don't have any DUI.
So when I came up, she was yelling. He was trying to give her the instructions. She just kept
I
yelling.
said, I want to make sure I don't die, I don't get hurt. Please, sir. Please, I will listen to anything he do. Ma'am, I'm not going to run at all.
Are you done,
I
sir?
don't need to. What do you want me to do?
We're going this way.
Please don't hurt me, please.
Nobody's going to hurt you.
Just had to do what we're
I'm
asking.
complying, ma'am.
Okay,
Please
you're gonna
don't
go in
hurt
here.
me. Please don't hurt me.
Turn
I'm
around.
complying.
It's better that you put your.
I'm
Watch your
complying.
head. Watch your
Okay,
head.
I'm complying. Please don't hurt me.
Watch your head.
Please don't hurt me. I'm complying. I'm totally complying.
I understand.
For what it's worth, calling an attorney right now is not going to do anything. She's getting released in 8 hours regardless. An attorney's not getting her out.
She don't need to be.
You do you. You do your thing, then.
I can't believe I'm being arrested. I'm 45 years old being arrested for what?
Driving under the influence.
I'm not under the influence. Can I get a drug test? Can I get an alcohol test or something?
All that at the.
Do the test. It's not going to say I'm under the influence at all.
That will be explained to you down there. Officer Flink will explain everything to you, okay?
Brothers and other family members arrived to take the twin sister home.
When I came out, the DUI officer, was trying to give her instructions and gave her Taylor warnings and kept trying to explain to her, listen, if we don't do this, I have to go on what I have. She refused. She was given we call them Taylor warnings twice. It's basically saying, in summary, we're going to take you on what we have right now if you're refusing to do these tasks to show. And she wouldn't listen. She just literally just kept screaming and don't get near me and you don't get near me and I'm afraid. And so
everything we do is standardized.
Yeah, but
she'll be able to.
no, I'm just asking.
She'll be able to call you when everything's set. The first part of it, she will be given the breathalyzer, which she kept saying she wanted to take. If she wants to take a drug or alcohol, she can do that at her own expense for the blood.
You couldn't do it right on the spot.
We couldn't even get her to do any like basic tasks. Like she wouldn't do anything. The only thing she kept screaming at us was, "Don't hurt me! You're gonna kill me!" Like all this stuff, and that's where we're at. She didn't want to participate on the tasks that needed to be done. So you we can't just go, "Okay, you don't want to do them, so drive off." So
you guys have anything else for us? Appreciate you coming to pick up the car. We didn't want to tow it, gentlemen.